Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we focus on commodities as Brent crude crashed below $40 per barrel today for the first time in nearly 7 years after OPEC failed to specify production level ceiling on Friday. Brent crude, the global benchmark, shed 2% to $39.89 per barrel this afternoon, while Western Texas Intermediate crude slumped 2.58% to $36.68 per barrel. Last week, head of the ECB, Mario Draghi, delivered an underwhelming monetary stimulus policy missing the market expectations. Oil prices had temporarily pulled away from nearly 7-year lows this morning, after economic data showed China continued to import commodities despite its slowing growth rate. The prospect of a sudden increase in Iranian oil production once sanctions on the country lift next year are causing uncertainty for traders. Iran is expected to be producing 5 billion barrels of oil a day by 2020 from 1 million currently. This rise will offset a decline in expensive US production of shale oil that the Energy Information Administration has forecast will be full by 600,000 barrels in January as cost bite. Now turning our attention to M&A activity, as UK M&A activity is at its highest level since 2007, up 90% from last year to $516.5 billion, equating to £344.4 billion according to EY. The number of deals increased more modestly from 2,822 to 2,932, showing that 2015 has indeed been the year of the mega deal. UK companies are seen as a particularly attractive acquisition opportunity as they offer a gateway to the Eurozone. The value of inbound deals where foreign companies acquire UK ones rose to $349 billion from $103 billion in 2014. Belgium was the biggest spender, splashing out $117.16 billion thanks to Belgian-owned AB InBev's takeover of Saar Miller. The Netherlands is the second biggest spending, $81.5 billion, largely due to the Shell's BG merger. The US comes third, having spent $64.7 billion. The value of the deals that see UK companies acquiring businesses overseas has fallen year on year from $113.5 billion to $104.4 billion, which EY said reflected the softening global economy, particularly across the emerging markets. Now looking at European markets, UK 100 rolling is 36 points lower, the France 40 rolling is almost 40 points lower, and the Germany 30 rolling has fallen over 100 points. Now for some corporate news. Ashtead's group pre-tax profit rose 18% to £182 million in the second quarter ended 31st of October, as rental revenue climbed 17% to £589 million. Taylor Wimpey has appointed Dixon Carphone's group financial director, Humphrey Singer, as an independent non-executive director with immediate effect. RSA has sold its Russian business to Blagostonoye, a non-state pension fund in Russia, for £5 million. Now for some key data and focus later too, we have at 12 p.m. we have US MBA mortgage applications, followed by at 3 o'clock the US wholesale inventories, and at 3:30 we have US crude oil inventories. That's all for today's news, so thank you very much for listening and all the best on your day's trading.